I'm the founder and CEO of ProNavigator. We're a technology company focused exclusively on how do we solve information challenges within the insurance industry. I think the bar has shifted from, does this make us more efficient to is this driving a measurable business outcome?
Hmm.
It's not just about building a feature. It's about, yes, the time savings, but the sales lift, the faster onboarding. We're investing in automation, in workflows. We're investing in agentic tools to not only just surface the knowledge, but what can we do to actually take that next step? Can we actually, draft that email? Can we pre-fill that form? Can we complete that comparison? I
Hmm.
think that's where things are going to really combine, not just the software you do, but can it actually do a lot of the work? We've always built our core tech ourselves. But as we scale, we're focused on velocity and looking for partners and looking for tools and technology to really help accelerate some of the net new features without taking our core team off of some of our critical roadmap.
Yep.
We've got opportunities, we've got growth, we've got critical features and things that we want to build for our customers. How do we not have to reinvent some of those foundational layers so we can get velocity a lot quicker and faster? And looking at things like Launchpad to help us accelerate net new features while keeping our core team we're running pretty efficient on some of the critical items that we need to do. I think because we have thousands of users and dozens of customers, we've really earned the trust of a lot of our customers, and they help shape where we're going, right? And in our world, it's becoming more and more on how do we actually complete entire tasks? How do we actually do a lot of the hundreds, if not thousands, of workflows that are in a day-to-day, task of an underwriter, claims adjuster, broker agent. So to me, that's the opportunity for us, being able to really complete a lot of those tasks for our customers, making sure that this can scale in a way where it's enterprise grade, it's
Hmm.
security, and it's uptime guarantees, and it's got the infrastructure that they need. So we're very excited about the opportunity shaped by our customers and what it is that they want us to be able to kind of focus on. At the end of the day, customers want results, right? They in our world, they want knowledge at their fingertips. They want workflows that are draft or completed themselves. They want systems that are thinking alongside their staff. And so that's where this becomes so exciting. The possibilities of using AI to do workflow automation, to provide vertical specific solutions, assistance, contextually aware. I think we're going to see an entirely new class of enterprise software with this agentic AI, and I think we're in a great spot to lead that wave for the insurance industry specifically when it comes to knowledge. And I think there's a ton of opportunity for other founders and companies to be able to focus on agentic AI, and it will really define, I think, this next category of B2B software. I think the ability to have these workflows done at not only at scale but at speed, and build up from that to be able to do it a whole lot faster, is incredibly excited. Drafting a claims letter or an internal announcement when a policy chain goes live, or generating a recommendation based on a particular task that they're working on. Our customers get really excited about the possibilities,
Yeah.
and I think being able to leverage something like Launchpad, where they have the scale and the infrastructure and security, which I mentioned is so critical for our world of compliant enterprise grade environments, really allows us to move a whole lot faster.